Today in the How It Works video series for KIN-TEK Analytical, I'm going to show you how to install disposable permeation tubes into the glass adapter bottle.
When you receive a permeation tube, a disposable permeation tube from KIN-TEK Analytical, you receive it either in a PVC shipping container such as this one, which I'll point out that it shows caution tags on it, tells you to open it in a ventilated area. Or you receive it in a butyrate tube like this one. Again, we have some cautions and some directives as to how to safely open the containers. If you have to open the PVC container, you will open that using this fitting here, sometimes with the wrench. Do this in a fume hood. Today, I'm actually just using water. So I'm using water as a demonstration to show how to open the PVC and the butyrate tube and install it in your glass permeation tube adapter bottle. So I would remove this. This would actually be housed inside the container. I'd remove the butyrate tube. I save this for another time in case I need to reuse it and store it. And then for the butyrate tube, you remove the red tape that surrounds the cap of the butyrate tube. And then you can remove the top. Again, I'm using water today just as a demonstration, so that I'm not exposing myself. Otherwise, I'd be doing it in a fume hood. So I'm going to remove the glass permeation tube adapter bottle top so that I can install my permeation tube. Take care that you don't lose the O-ring. I don't have to touch the permeation tube, depending on what it is, but again, I would be doing this in a fume hood, and I can just drop that permeation tube directly into the glass permeation tube adapter bottle. I then put my glass permeation tube adapter bottle top back on, screw that on, and make sure that it's hand tightened. So I don't want to have any kind of leaks. So now the permeation tube's installed in the bottle, and we'll install the bottle within the permeation tube system, the FlexStream Gas Standard Generator.
To learn more about how to install the permeation tube glass adapter bottle into the FlexStream Base module, watch the next video in the How It Works series. See you then.